Hi guys, Jessica here. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys my tips and my secrets on how to price your photography. Before I continue, I would love to thank the sponsor for today's video, Squarespace.com. From websites to online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace.com is an all-in-one platform for you to run your business and help your online presence. You know, this video is about pricing your photography, but it's also important to showcase your photography, and that means having a professional looking website at all times. Something that your clients can go to, whether that's, having a calendar for your availability, a contact form, a place where they can download your price sheet. You need an online website for that, and Squarespace really makes it easy. They have so many amazing features. You can start an email campaign, you can have your clients sign up for a newsletter, but the one thing that I really love about Squarespace is that you can start an online store. So I sell my presets on there. You can sell prints to your clients, you can sell your own presets, you can sell merch. It's really up to you. Setting up the online store was so easy. I mean, literally I did it by myself. With the ease of use of Squarespace, their 24-hour customer service, their beautiful templates, it's just so easy to use, and it takes the intimidation out of making a website. So you guys check it out. It's so important as a photographer to have a website. Like, how are you gonna have a business and you're not gonna have a website, a good looking website? You guys can head to squarespace.com for a free trial. You can check it out, and when you're ready to launch your website, use my offer code. Go to squarespace.com/Jessica for 10% off your first purchase of a website or a domain. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Let's talk about these prices. Personally, for me, when I first started out, pricing was a nightmare. I'm like, who even knows how to do this? Like, where do you even begin? Am I pricing too much? Am I pricing too little? How am I supposed to know? It's like when you first start out, you really don't have any inclination on what the market is, and it varies in every city and every country. Prices are different because people are willing to pay different things in different parts of the world, and that's just how it is. So someone in California might be charging a lot more than, let's say, somebody in Michigan. It really depends on the market, and that's something that I kind of had to figure out. So one of the first things I can recommend is try to figure out what other photographers are charging in your area. And I think this is going to give you a good base, a good foundation to what you should charge. And I'm not saying go, get these people's prices and then copy and paste them and then offer the same thing. That's not what I'm saying. Really look at the market and try to be competitive. I would try to go on people's websites, see how much they would charge, and then just go from there. And then I would kind of customize it to fit what I wanted to offer my clients. And you really have to think about what customer you're targeting, because look, we're all different kinds of photographers. Some of us want to do newborn photography, some of us want to do weddings. Totally different price points. So you have to really think, who am I targeting? Like, are you going to be okay if people want to haggle with you? Are you going to be okay if people want a discount? That's what you kind of have to consider when you're thinking of your prices, when you're thinking of what to offer to your clients. Some people are going to be okay with it, some people are not. What this is going to come down to is how much experience do you have? Like, do you bring the value that you're charging? You can't just charge $500 for 2 pictures if the value is not there. What's your reputation in the market, in terms of photography? How much experience do you really have? And you have to kind of go from there. For example, let's look at 2 different types of consumers. We have the average consumer, and then we have the high-end consumer. Now, the average consumer is willing to spend money, but maybe they want a discount, maybe they want to haggle, maybe they're looking for a deal, and they just want their picture taken. Like, it's not a huge deal to them. And then we have the higher end consumer who is definitely willing to spend money if they see the value. Like, you could be charging $1,000 and they'll be like, yeah, I'll do it because I like your work. And so definitely 2 different types of consumers. The higher end consumers will definitely put in an effort if they see the value in your work. If they really want to work with you, they will make it work. They will save up money. If they don't have everything right then and there, they'll figure something out to be able to work with you. Whereas the average consumer is just looking for the best price. Some clients are willing to go through a little bit of difficulty to be able to work with you. And again, some of them just want a simple photo shoot. They just want a deal. So you just kind of have to think about what is your target consumer. The higher end market is going to be a little bit trickier to get into because you really need to convince people, hey, I am worth this amount of money. And some people will see it and some people won't. Just think about Chanel and Gucci. They charge thousands of dollars for their handbags, and for a pair of socks it's like $500, but people will still buy it. Why? Because it's Gucci, because they know it's a luxurious brand. They're paying for the quality, for the reputation, to have the Gucci bag, to say that they have a Gucci bag. So it's kind of the same in this higher end market for photography. They have to be willing to see that value that you're providing with your photography. Now let's get into the actual pricing, the numbers. Let's get into that. So to begin, I would recommend having 3 pricing options in a well-designed PDF that you can send to your clients. When I first started, I think I had like 5 packages. I don't even know why I did that, man. That was a hot mess. That was a mess. Like the janitor needed to come clean up after that. I didn't know what I was doing. I mean, I was offering too much. I don't know about you guys, but too many options for me, that's not always a good thing. You ever go to Cheesecake Factory? That's like, you're reading the dictionary, okay, at that point. Because it's like you gotta flip through all the pages, gotta read everything. It's a lot of reading. So the first package is what I would call the basic/simple package. Now this is kind of what I would say is like the bare minimum of what you would wanna do. Very simple package. Somebody who is, you know, asking for your photography services, if they want something really simple, they just want literally 1 or 2 pictures, and they don't want to spend a lot of money, that is the package for them. So I want you guys to kind of think of that. Because if you're first starting out, you want to appeal to every kind of consumer. You know, you want to have a package that is affordable. So the basic package doesn't offer that much, but it is affordable. So let's say, just for an example, let's say that would be $150. And let's say you're offering 1 outfit and then 4 retouch pictures. I think that's a pretty good deal for $150. What this is gonna do is, again, anybody who just wants a simple photo shoot, like let's just say they want to take pictures, like they just graduated or something, they just want a simple photo shoot. That's the package that would probably appeal to them. And I know 4 retouch pictures doesn't sound like a lot, but let me just get to the rest of the packages, okay? And also you can add more retouch pictures if you want. It's up to you. So the second package is what I would call the ideal package, and it offers a good amount. It has a good balance. It's well priced, and it's what you really want to charge. Like deep down, you're like, this is how much like I really want to charge. So for this one, let's say it's $350. You're offering 2 outfits, and you're offering 10 retouches, something like that. The second outfit is giving the package more value. And again, you have more retouches, that also increases the value of the package. For like the average consumer, something else has to entice them. Like if it's a difference between like $100, why is there a difference of $100? So just think of what you can add to the packages. It offers a good amount. You have a good amount with the outfits. 2 outfits is great, especially for senior pictures. And then you have that amount of retouches. The last package is the high-end package. Now this package is going to be a little bit more expensive, but it's going to be more exclusive. It's going to offer a lot more. Let's say for this one, it's going to be $550 or $600. You're offering 3 outfits and you're offering like 16 retouches. I'm just throwing some random stuff out there. You can kind of tweak them to your liking, but I think that would be a good price point. You can even do $650 if you wanted. Now, what this is gonna do, what this high-end package is gonna do, and I know you're probably thinking like no one's gonna spend that money, but listen. When you're first looking at this package, maybe your eye's gonna go straight to the $600 one, and you're gonna think, oh my God, that's a lot of money. But then, you see the middle package, and it's like $350, and you're thinking, okay, that's not bad compared to the $600 one. That's a little bit on the higher end side, but this one's a little bit more affordable. And then you have the basic and simple package, which is even more affordable, but again, it doesn't offer that much. So you're kind of, the consumers are going to see the higher end package. It's giving you value. It's saying, hey, you know, I do have this higher end package, but you know, if that's not something that you're interested in, hey, there's something a little bit more affordable. And so a lot of the time, consumers will go for that second package, the ideal package. And when I was doing senior pictures and when I was doing family pictures and portraits, like 95% of the time, people would pick that ideal package because they see the higher end price and they're like, oh, that's a lot. But then, you know, and then the basic package doesn't really offer, you know, exactly what they want. You know, maybe they're looking for a little bit more. Again, you have the best of both worlds. So it's kind of like, again, you show your value that you do offer these high-end prices, but I also have these other two packages if you're interested. And actually, sometimes I surprise myself. Some people did buy the high-end package, even if it was like $650. Once in a while, somebody will buy that package. So again, it's there to showcase your value. And also, if you have the clients who are willing to spend more money, hey, it's there. You know what I mean? Like, it's good. It's like a good cushion, you know? For those worried about the price, the higher end package is really gonna make the other two packages seem less intimidating. One thing, you guys, do not undervalue yourself, because when you do that, it leaves the door wide open for customers and prospective clients to undervalue you. Each individual picture has value, and so just think about that when you're setting your prices. So those are my pricing tips for photography. I really hope that it was helpful for you guys. Let me know what you guys think down below. Share your tips and tricks on how you figured out your prices. I'm sure someone will find it really helpful in the comments. And let me know what you guys want to see for the next video. And I would love to thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.